Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Want to embed a Google form in your Wix website? This guide will help you to add a Google form to your Wix site using the embed code feature. Let's embed a Google form in Wix today. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing that you have to do is to go ahead and open your Wix website. Make sure to log in and create a new site if you don't have one already. I have one, so I'm going to log into it. So this is my website. I'm going to just click on it and they're going to take us to the dashboard. Right after that, click on this button right here which says Design Site. So by clicking on it, another page will be opened, which is basically our website with the page builder features of Wix. Let's wait a little bit and it will be loading. Now, meanwhile it is loading, let's go ahead and open another tab and search for the Google Forms. You can go right here and click and go all the way down to Forms. Once you have done that, make sure to create a form of yours if you don't have one already. You just have to go pretty simple on it. I'm gonna quickly explain it. Here it is, the title of the form, a small description. Here you will find the questions. You can add multiple questions simply by clicking on these buttons right here. Add question. You can import questions. You can add title, description, add image, add video, add section, and you can choose the type of question that you want. If you want a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, etc. Now I have one already that I have created. Let me just open it real quick. So this is the one that I'm going to use in this video, which is called tutorial. Now in this video we are going to try to embed this one into here. So the first thing, let me just go down a little bit and let's start by adding a new section in our website. Click on add section, as you can see right here, and this will be opened. Let's choose whatever style. I'm just gonna go with the blank section for me, and now let's go all the way down, and yeah, we do have a blank section here. Now to add Google Forms here, well, there is multiple ways. The first way is by adding elements, and it can be a text. You can add it right here, and we can, for example, name it Google Form. We can just leave it like that. I'm gonna make it smaller, put it in the middle, somewhere like that. I can move it, I think. Let me just try to move it around. Alright, that's perfectly good. Now this one will be our basically like a name of Google Forms, so we can color it to be like kind of like the colors of Google Form as well. So I'm gonna just choose violet, and yeah, oh, it didn't change. Let me just pick it again, just like that, apply, and there we go. Now this is the first method of adding your Google form to Wix. The first method is basically by adding a link into this text. So I'm going to click on send, and I'm going to go to here into send via, and I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to shorten it, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it in here. Let me just choose new window, choose a page, and here we are going to search for web address. Paste it here, done. And now if I have published it, let me just try to publish it. There we go, view site, and let me just go down all the way to this section. So it's gonna be here kind of in the middle. If I clicked on it, it is gonna be taking us in here to this page where we have the form. Now this is the first method. The second method is basically we can show the form itself in this area. I'm gonna mute it. This always scares me. Okay, mute site. So we are going to actually show the form in this area, as I said. So the first thing is we have to get a code for this. Now there is several AIs that will help you, and by just simply taking a screenshot, and they will turn it into an actual form in HTML, but that's not what we are looking for. What we are going to do is basically click right here on send again, and from this area choose the embed code form. After that, you can copy it and you can go to HTML code viewer, which will allow you to view the code and check if it is working. As you can see, this is how it looks, and it's pretty much working. So what I'm gonna do, the height, let me just add a little bit in the height, 700. Okay, so we don't have like that scroll down bar here. That's perfectly good. Now what I'm gonna do is copy it, go here into the new section that we just created, go back to add element, search for the embed code, which is going to be below right here, choose custom element, no, not custom elements, I mean HTML code, so embed HTML, this is the one. So let's click here, add to sites, and just like that, embed the code right here. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Apply. Let me just go back here, code, and I'm gonna just make it bigger, as you can see here. Let me just make this section larger, and I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger. I'm gonna do the same thing from this area, just to make this as spacey as possible. And just like that, we have now our embed code of the actual form. And now we have connected and embedded our form of Google, which is Google Form, in our Wix website. As a matter of fact, this will be a very big problem for you to manage, or a very big hassle for you if the questionnaire was very long. Now you see how much space it took even with only one question. So imagine if you had 10 to 20 questions in your questionnaire with images, with videos, that would take almost the whole website. So put it in a very decent place where basically you don't have a lot of like categories and sections just like mine. You can remove all the sections or create a new page and put that specific thing in this new page that you just created. Otherwise, it's not gonna show all. It will have this scroll down thing, and you don't really want it to be existing, so you really want it to disappear. I don't know if you can crop it, I'm not really sure of this, but I tried here and I made it a little bit longer so I can remove this, and it did work. So that's pretty good for us right now. So this is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. This is how you can embed your Google form in your Wix website. I showed you two methods. I hope you liked both of them. If you tried one of them, make sure to tell me how it works on your website, if it did work. If it has any problems, make sure to mention these problems in the description, or basically in the comment section, so I can know what to talk about in the next videos, so I can, or either even like answer your questions in the comment section, so you can fix your problems. And yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.